Hello students, welcome to our YouTube channel, Time for Bank Exams. Today our topic of discussion, Approximation for IBPS RRB PO Prelim. Before we start our discussion, we request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on bell icon so that you get notification of all the videos that are uploaded on this channel. Now look at the direction note here. Questions marked with the star mark are the models that appeared in various bank exams in recent years. Okay. Look at the directions. What approximate value should come in place of question mark in the following questions? You are not expected to calculate the exact value. Here, approximate values need to consider in order to simplify these questions. Now, look at the first example. 897 divided by 64, 742 divided by 17, 220 divided by 74. My dear student, if you observe this carefully, here it goes not exactly, it is approximately. It is approximately how many times it goes means just observe 64 it goes 14 times. 14 times of 64. So 10 times 14 means 10 plus 4. 10 times of 64 that is 640 and 4 times of 64 that is a 256. By adding these two we get 896 which is close to 897. Now what about 17? 17 13 times that is 221. Similarly 74 here it goes 10 times. Dear student, just observe the 14 into 13. 14 into 13 into 10. 14 into 13 is equal to 182. 182 into 10. 10 that is 1820. The right choice option 5. Choice 5 is the correct answer for this question. Now look at the next example. 62.44% of 1600. 62.44% which is close to 62.5%. What is the equivalent fractional value in percentages? Reciprocal values when you observe 5 by 8. 5 by 8 of 1600. 8 it goes exactly 2 times. So, zeros are common here. The product of these two numbers is 1000 minus 15.03% means 15% of 2400. So, 15% of 2400. Zeros and percentage we can cancel. What is the next? 15 into 24. 15 means 10 plus 5. 10 times of 24, 240. Half of the 240 that is 120. Or 240 plus 120 that is 360. So 15 times of 240 that is 360. 1000 minus 360 the value is 640. The right choice option 4. Next question on your screen. 12.41 divided by 3.1. So 12.4 divided by 3.1 into 8.4. Here exactly it goes 4 times. Now 4 times of 8, 32 plus 1.6. 32 plus 1.6 means 33.6. Now approximately it is a 34. Option 2 is the right choice. Now next example. 16.5%. 16.581% of 756. 16.581 we can approximately take it as 16.6%. 16.6% means it is a 16.66 means 16 2 by 3 that is 1 by 6 value. 1 by 6 of 756 plus 10%, 9.925% means 10% of 13241. So 10% means it is 1324. Now simplify this. 6. 12 times 72 and 6 times 36. By adding this, what is the result? Now 26 plus 24, that is 50. 1 plus 13, 14. So what is the result? 126 plus 1324, that is 1450. Right choice, option number 5. Fifth choice is the correct option. 6454 divided by 62 into 45 equal to question mark into 51. Dear students, simplify this. 62, how many times here? 10 times 620. 10 times 620. What is extra here? 620. Subtract from 645. That is 25. 254. 254 means 4 times. Now on solving this, 3 here it goes 15 times. 3 here 17 times. On solving. So 17 it goes how many times? Approximately here 6 times. 6 into 15. 6 into 15 is equal to 90. So answer is close to 90. So close to 90, what is the right choice? Option number 1, that is 92. The right choice is option number 1. Now look at the next example. 60% of 60.25% of 978. 60.25% means I am assuming it as I am taking it as 60%. 60% means 50 plus 10. Here what is given? 978, approximately 980. 50% of 980, that is 490. 50% is 490. 10%, that is 98. Adding these values, 588. So 60% is 588 minus 160.19, which is approximately equal to 160, equal to minus question mark minus 65% of 656. Now percentage, remove percentage, add decimal. So what you will get? 65 into 6.5. Remove the decimal, remove the percentage and add decimal. Now 65 into 65, that is 4225. Just use the decimal. So 422. So minus 422. How much is the value of question mark? Question mark is equal to, now 588 and 422. 500 plus 400, 900. 88 plus 22, that is 110. So 900 plus 110, that is 1010 minus 160. Now what is the value? 1010 minus 160. Then minus 60 means minus 50. Minus 50 means complement is 50. Then here 9 minus 1, that is 8. The result is 850. 850, option choice 2. Second choice is the right answer. Now next example. 47.81 divided by 11.98. Sorry, 89. 11.89. 47.8. So approximately it is 48 by 12 into 3.4. Simplify. 12 it goes exactly 4 times in 48. 4 times of 3, 12. 12 plus 1.6. 12 plus 1.6 means it is 13.6. Approximately 13.6. What is the closest answer? The closest answer for this is option number choice option 4. Fourth choice is the right choice. Now look at next example. Cube root of 216.87. Here it is close to perfect cube. What is the perfect cube? 216. Cube root of 216, that is 6. Now square root of 63.96. 63.96 means it is approximately 64. 64 square root. How much is the square root of 64? 8. By adding these two, we get 14. What is the right choice? Option 1. Choice 1 is the correct option. Now look at the next example. 1351.95, which is approximately 1352 divided by 8 plus 65% of 699. 65% of 699. Here approximately 700. Simplify, 0 and percentage get cancelled. 7 times of 60, 420 plus 35, that is 455. Now what is the cancellation? 8 one time. One time is next 6 times. 6 times is 48. Next 9 times. So it goes how many times? Exactly 169 times. So just add 455 and 169. How much is the sum of these values? Here it is 624. 624. By adding these two, we get 624, which is close to 625. So approximately it is 625 is the answer. Right choice, option number. It is 5. Now look at the next example, question number 10. 10.89. 10.89 approximately it is 11. Approximately it is 11. Into square root of 144.25. So it is how much? Square root of 144, that is 12. Minus 10.95 whole square. 10.95 whole square means it is 11 square. 11 square means 11 into 11 by 2. 12 times of 11 minus 11 times of 11, that is 11 by 2. Answer choice option 3. The answer for this question 5.5. 5.5 is the right choice. Look at the next example. 675.98. The approximate value, so perfect square, it is 676. The square root of 676 is 26. Now next part, just look at 48.998, which is close to approximately 49. 49 square is equal to 2401. Equal to question mark into 90.98. 90.98, which is approximately 91. 13, it goes 3 times. What about 13? 13 here 7 times. 13 7 is 91. Now what about 7? 7 here 3 times of 7, 21. 21 means 34 times, again 3 times. How much is the value of the question mark means product of these two numbers? Sorry, here a small correction. Here 13 it goes 2 times. 13 it goes 2 times. So 2 times of 3, 648, that is 686. 13 2 times, 13 7 times. Okay. The right choice is 686, option 2. Second choice is the correct option. Now look at the next example. Under root 5630. 5630, it is close to 75 square. How much is the value of 75 square? It is a 5625. So 75 square is equal to 5625. So under root 5630, which is close to 5625. So the value of it is 75. Approximately 75. Next, 17.98, approximately 18 into 19. Into 19 equal to question mark into 6.99. Approximately 7. Yes, my dear students, simplify this. 19 into 18. 19 into 18 means, just observe, 18 into 18, 18 square, 324. 324 plus 18. 324 plus 18, 342. So 75 plus 342 equal to question mark into 7. Now add these values. Here 2 plus 5, 4 plus 3 and 3 plus 1, which is equal to question mark into 7. So take 7 in the denominator, just observe. 7 into 60, that is 420. 7 into 60, 420. Here approximately it goes 60 times, not exactly, approximately. So right choice, option number 4. Next. 1687.98. Approximately it is 1688 divided by 36.05% of 422. 36%. Percent means I am taking 100 other side. Instead of writing 36 by 100, I am taking 100 on the numerator side. Into 422. 422, it goes exactly 4 times. What about 4 in 90 is 36? 9 times. So 100 by 9, which is equal to 11.11. 11.11. What is the nearest value? That is 12. The right choice, option number 4. The value is 12. 9.9% of 120. 9.9% means approximately it is 10%. 10% means it is 12. What is the 10% value? 10% on 120, that is a 12. Look at the second part. 13.9% means approximately 14%. 14% of approximately 14%. What is the value of 14% of 150? My dear students, 14% means 14 by, look at the board please, 14 by 100 into 150. 53 times, 52 times, 2 here 7 times, the product is 21. By adding these two, we get 33. That is the value of question mark. How much is the value of question mark? Question mark is equal to 33. Right choice, option 1. Choice 1 is the answer for this question. Next. 41.98% of 650. 41.98%. Approximately I am taking 42%. 42% of 650. 650.01 is 650. 42% means 40 plus 2%. 40 means 4 times of 10%. 10% is 65. 10% is 65 means 4 times of 65. Double is 130. Again double, 260. 1% is equal to 6.5. 2% means 13. So what is the sum here? 273. 273 is the value of 42% of 650 plus 31. 31.96 means 32. So 32 into 44. 32 into 44. My dear student, here 40 into 32. 4 times of 30, 120 plus 8, 128. So 40 times means 1280. 4 times means 128. By adding this, what is the result? 1408. So 1408 is equal to question mark square. It is equal to question mark square. Just add the values. Now, how much is the value of the question mark square? Means 8 plus 73, that is 81. 14 plus 2, that is 16. So 1681 is a 41 square. 41 square is equal to 1681. So how much is the value of question mark? That is 41. The value of question mark is 41. Right choice, option number 1. Next. 60.01% of 199.98. 199.98 means approximately 200. So 60% of 200. Here percentage and zeros get cancelled. The result here 120 plus 39.99%. 39.99% is equal to 40. 40% of how much here? 59.98. That is 60. So 40% of 60. Percentage and zeros we can cancel. The result is 24. 6 into 4, 24. 120 plus 24, that is 144. 144 is equal to question mark square, the value of the question mark. Value of the question mark means 12 square is equal to 144. The value of the question mark, it is 12. Right choice, option number 3. Third option is the correct answer. Dear students, please subscribe to our YouTube channel Time for Bank Exams to get more informative videos and subject videos on the examination, bank, SSCCGLE, insurance, railways and other relevant examinations. The social media channels links are given here. Telegram channel, YouTube channel, Instagram and Facebook. So links are given in the description box. So please subscribe to our channel. And for classroom coaching, to contact your nearest time center. For online courses, you can enroll at t4e.info/banksssconline. Yes, my dear student, thank you for watching this video. Have a nice day.